Are you planning a fall wedding or Thanksgiving celebration? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little pumpkin napkin fold in just 2 simple steps. Hi, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, where we help you celebrate with sparkle by providing all the rhinestone wedding supplies you need. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the cutest little pumpkin napkins for your fall wedding or Thanksgiving celebrations. All right, so for the supplies, you'll only need 2 things. The first is your napkin, and the second is a stretch loop napkin ring. This one, of course, is from TotallyDazzled.com, and we also have it available in silver or gold rhinestones. So guys, this is just 2 steps. You won't even believe how quick, easy, and fun this is to do. So all you have to do for the first step is to just place your napkin ring right in the center of your napkin and pull a little bit of the napkin ring out the top of the napkin. This little piece is going to be what becomes the stem of your pumpkin. So that's step 1. Step 2 is to just take all the corners of your napkin and pull them up through the top of the napkin and then pull them right out underneath in the bottom. And the more you pull it out in the bottom, the smaller your pumpkin will be and kind of the fuller it will be. So you can decide the look you like and adjust accordingly. So I'm just doing step 2, which is just taking all the corners all the way around and just tucking them in the top and down under the bottom. Now, once you go all the way around, you will see that you've kind of created some new corners. So just like we said in step 2, just tuck all the corners. So we're just gonna work our way around one more time, tucking in all the corners right into the top. I'm just taking this loose corner and just tucking it in through the top of the napkin ring. And our last little corner here, in through the top, down through the bottom. And here you have it, guys. Seriously, how quick, easy, fun, and super cute is this? Truly the perfect addition to a fall wedding or Thanksgiving table. Let me know in the comments below if you will create a cute little pumpkin like this for your next fall event. I know I'm going to. And as a special thank you for sticking around to the end of this quick tutorial, I'm going to share 2 other really fun tips with you. If you're having a kids table at your wedding or Thanksgiving, how fun would it be to tuck in some great little candies all around in your napkin? So you do step 1, pull it through the top, lay your candy around the stem piece, and then just do the exact same process all over again, tucking in the corners, and then by the time you're done, all these delicious little treats will be hiding for the kids attending your wedding or your Thanksgiving celebration. I think this is such a fun and cute idea. And another twist on this is that I think a lot of people are planning to get engaged during the holidays. How cute would it be to propose with all of your family and friends and to hide the ring box inside of this super cute pumpkin napkin? I think that would be totally adorable and an amazing way to propose. So here it is again with the candy tucked inside. What a fun surprise. So that's my first little secret tip. My second little special tip is that if your napkin is very thin and you don't like the way that the pumpkin is forming, I always recommend for any napkin folding, fancy napkin folding, use this product called Speed Starch. You can find it at Target, Walmart, and all you do is spray the napkin before you iron it, and it'll make it nice and stiff and perfect for creating an adorable little pumpkin just like this. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy, and fun fall tutorial just as much as I did. Until next time, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, helping you plan events that shine. Bye, guys. Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at TotallyDazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.